Stop, come on. Stop, Ashley, come on. Stop. Oh my God. Come on, man, we need to. There it is. Oh, I'll go through the front. Get off him. You son of a. No, get off him. Get off him. I'm checking. Is he breathing? Is he alive or is he dead? He is dead. Okay, wait, how about this? We'll carve him out. We'll get him in the morning. Okay.
Why do I always have to do everything?
Shut up, Grandpa! At least we got you coffee.
What are you talking about? I didn't
You
get
have heart
coffee.
condition, you stupid old man.
I do not have a heart condition. My heart.
Yeah, that's exactly why we're trying to get you decaf.
What I got is a heart condition problem coming from you kids.
Oh, really? Really now?
Yeah, really.
Because we're paying the rent.
Oh, you're paying the rent? I'm doing the housework.
Oh, the housework. Yeah.
Yes.
We're doing a better job than you because we signed up for Starbucks.
I signed up